Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. We have a great drawing for you guys today. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe, share this video, leave a comment. We'd like to hear who you want us to draw next. Today we are going to draw Hall of Fame baseball player Willie Mays, nicknamed the Say Hey Kid. And actually I just want to show you this card I have. So me and my kids, we collect baseball, basketball, football cards. And I was able to pick up this card. It's one of my favorites. It's Willie Mays' baseball card. It has a piece of his bat, piece of one of his jerseys, and it is numbered 27 out of 50 cards. And so this is an actual bat, an actual jersey from the Hall of Famer Willie Mays, baseball player. I love this card. So what we're going to do today is draw Willie Mays, as Willie Mays recently passed away. And to honor him and his career, let's do a cool drawing. He was a center fielder. His career began back in 1948 in the Negro League, and then he jumped to the Major League Baseball teams and started in the New York Giants. New York then moved to San Francisco Giants, and then he played and ended his career with the New York Mets. He played 23 seasons, one of the best players of all time. He's a Hall of Famer, hit 660 home runs, lifetime batting average of .301. So this guy is amazing. Let's do this. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across. We'll do Willie Mays' cartoon head right here. We're going to get our dark marker, and we will do back in the old days, he played in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, maybe the 70s actually. They had kind of floppy hats, so we're going to do a big arch, come down, like that. So it's not a normal hat like we usually do. We're gonna go up, bigger arch, come down, and connect. That's the brim of the hat. We'll do bump out, come up to a point. The hats were a little more fabricy, a little more floppy, so it can be a little wobbly. See, it's not straight across, it has some wobble to it. I like that word, wobble. We're gonna come down, bump out, to a point, his chin up, comes out, and then connects to the hat. So kind of a weird shaped face, but we'll bump his ear out like that, bump his ear out like that on the side, color in where the hair and the hat might overhang. All right, so we'll do his eye. He's a smiley guy, one arch, two arch, kind of a sideways jelly bean shape for both eyes. Circle on the inside, circle on the inside, small circle, small circle. We'll color the top area in with our dark marker. And like I always say, we like to leave those highlights. Those are the highlights of the sky or the stadium lights. I'm gonna bring a little light blue in and color this bottom section of the eye. This is the reflection of the blue sky in the stadium. All right, Willie Mays, here we go. We're gonna go up and down for the eyebrow, angle up and down, kind of thicken it up, make it a little bit wider, not too crazy, but just so it looks like an eyebrow. All right, the edge of the eye is coming down, dot, edge of the eye, come down, dot. That's the width of the nose. So we'll go up, down, and up. Color in the nostril sides, kind of sideways raindrops, make them a little darker. Around there, and then a bump for the nose there, okay? Come straight down. We'll do the top of the mouth right there. He's got this smile, it's kind of a crooked smile, so we'll see if we can do it. We're gonna start over here, we're gonna go up, hit that dot, and then go down, like that. Down and up. It's got this crooked smile. Bottom lip, top lip, connects. Dot for the smile, a dot for the smile over there. There we go. Cool. Looking good, Willie Mays, looking good. Here we go. Let's do the neck. Angle down to a point. got to make him look like he's wearing the old uniform. So shoulder, shoulder, come down, come down. Kind of round that shoulder sleeve, round that sleeve. And we're gonna make the torso kind of bump out because they wore baggy uniforms back in the old days. Not as tight, so it kind of, see how it kind of curves? Makes him look a little chubby, but he's not. It's just a baggy uniform. Here's the belt. They had to wear belts in those days because they had to hold up these baggy clothes. Let's do a big baseball over here. Big circle. We'll do fingers 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers holding onto that baseball, and then his sleeve bumps out and hides behind that baseball. Now over here, he's gonna be holding onto a baseball bat. We'll do a sideways kind of jelly bean shape. That's his hand. Here's his sleeve coming out. And it bumps into the hand, bumps into the hand. Okay, now the baseball bat's gonna be on an angle coming down. He's like leaning on this baseball bat. Start skinny up top, bring it down wide to the bottom. Skinny at the top, come wider down to the bottom and connect. Okay, now these pants are gonna be shorter and baggier, so we're gonna bump out. They're really wide. And then he's got some socks coming down. So we start wide at the knee and come down to the ankle. And we'll do the shoes, okay? Big clown shoes. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Bring that toe out and down. Straight across to the ankle area and then connect. Alrighty, Willie Mays looking good. Bring this heel down. Straight across to the bat, stop. Come across on the other side of the bat. Bring the toe up and into the shoelaces and stop at the bat. All right, cool, we have Willie Mays blocked out. Now, the Giants had stripes coming down the side of the pant like that, black stripes. And then down here at the socks, it's gonna be an arch. These used to be called stirrups. We'll color this stirrup sock black. Same over here. I'll just kind of show you what we're doing really quick and we'll do the rest in the fast forward. All right, there was a stripe on the sleeve, stripe on the sleeve, and then a stripe around the neck, coming down to a point, come down. All right, now the word Giants, okay? Let's see if we can do it. G I A N T S. All right, it's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. But what the Giants had is they had kind of the bumps on the corners of their, so I'm gonna make these bumps on each corner of the letter. All right, and then he had a button-up jersey, so here's the button going up. Cool. Looking really good, looking really good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna color this in. We're gonna do a black hat, and then what we'll do is we'll come with an orange Prismacolor, if I can find it for you. Orange Prismacolor. Maybe we'll do one of these. Now a Prismacolor, so those of you who don't know, they are special color pencils, a little more expensive, but they look like this in the packaging. They're color pencils, they're a little softer, and you can buy them. Click the link in our description below, and we will draw this black, and then we'll color the logo with our Prismacolor on top. Good. So we're gonna fast forward now. We appreciate you guys for joining us, drawing Willie Mays, the Hall of Fame baseball player for the New York and San Francisco Giants. Fast forward now.